Hello designers, welcome to my YouTube design space. On today's video I'm going to show you how to blur image using Snapseed, but I'm going to use this video to explain the way that you can combine Pixel and Snapseed together to achieve a better result. So for all designers, you must learn that to design with smartphone you have to combine your design app with other apps. Okay, and on this video I'm going to show you how this works out here. So if you look very well at the bottom of my screen here, you're going to see that I have Pixel icon and then my YouTube icon. Okay, and I blur them in this design. So I'm going to show you how I achieve this effect on a design like this. So after you are done designing with your Pixel app, and then there is a particular icon that you want to blur in your image. So what you need to do is to go here and then go and import that image which you want to blur in that design. So position it where you want it to be. For instance, I want to position this one here, then rotate it this way. Okay, I want it to be here. Okay, in case you want your own to be somewhere here, you can just place it somewhere here if that is what you want to do. So but for me, I want to expand it. I want to place it at this corner. Okay, and after this I'm going to go down here and then go here and then save it as an image. Okay, you can save as whichever way you want to save it as. Okay, I'm going to save in my normal way, PNG and Ultra, and then after saving it now, and then I'm going to go down here and then go to my Snapseed. So just watch me now. So this is my Snapseed interface. So what I need to do now is to go at the top of my screen here and then click on open. Okay, and I'm going to open it. So I'm going to import the image that I just saved now on Pixel Lab. So you can see it here, and then this is the one that I saved just now on Pixel Lab. Okay, if you look, you are going to see that the one we have at the top here is not blur, but these ones are blur. So and we're going to see how we can achieve the effect that we have here on this one now. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to my tools at the bottom of my screen here, tools. Okay, I'm going to tap on my tools and I'm going to click on lens blur. Okay, when you tap on that, if you look very well, you're going to see that for this Snapseed of a thing, if you are trying to blur a particular image, all the whole design will be blurred. So I'm going to show you how to remove the blurring effect in some part of the image I don't want it to be. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go click on tap on my screen and then scroll up and down. So these options are going to come out automatically. So you're going to see blur strength here. You can increase the blur strength, and then if you're increasing it, you're going to be watching a particular icon that you want to use this blur effect. Now you are going to go down to transition for reducing or increasing the spaces where this is going to be blurred from the center. So I'm going to reduce my transition because I want it to cover everywhere for now. So I'm going to go to my vignette strength. So normally I don't like this, so I'm going to reduce it to 0, because if you increase it, the outer part of your design will become dark. So this is not necessary here, I guess. So I'm going to tap OK. You see that the blur has been affected the whole of the design. So what I need to do now is I'm going to go to my top of my screen here. You're going to see where the rider icon there, you just tap on it and then click on view edit. Okay, just click on view edit and then you're going to bring out these options for you. So these are where you're going to see all the effect that you have applied on your design on Snapseed. So only effect I have applied on this my design in Snapseed here is just the lens blur. So I just tap on the lens blur and then I'm going to click on the center icon here, which is brush filter. You can see there. So now what I need to do here, I've opened it and I'm going to click on invert so that the effect will be inverted rather, right? So here I'll bring back the effect of blur. So what I need to do, I'm going to click on decrease. Okay, if I'm clicking on decrease and then I'm tapping on my screen and then using my brush, I discover that the other places that I don't want this blur to be on will begin to erase. So I'm going to be erasing the blur effect on these places that I don't want this to be on. So just follow me and see how I work out this part now. So you just have to do it this way, and when you're doing it, just keep in mind that you are actually applying the blur effect in some areas which you have already pictured in your mind before doing all of this. So what I always do all the time, in case you don't know if your brush is able to clean some parts, clean all the blurring out of the places that you don't want to. So you don't have to click on mask. So you can, if you click on mask, you're going to see that it's going to mark out those parts where these effects are on. So now with this, I can easily know where I want to erase, and I'm going to start erasing them gradually, just like this. So after this, I can increase it a little more and then zoom it. I'm going to ping back this. So, and this is how I want to do it. So after this, I'm going to check. Okay, so I'm going to zoom back a little. So what you just discover now is that the blur effect is only applying on this Pixel app logo. Okay, and the whole of the image is not distorted. So this is how to apply your real blurring effect on any design, on a particular icon on a design. So I hope this video helps you. In case if it helped you, so don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, and then share our video, and then see you on our next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.